Yo, what's up guys, Slingshot here and welcome to my channel. So as you guys know, on my channel I do lots of reviews and unboxings and I love custom gaming controllers. So today we are unboxing the SCUF IMPACT professional gaming controller for the PS4, and this is also compatible with the PC. So this is obviously the SCUF IMPACT. As you guys know, the SCUF Vantage will be coming out very soon, so I definitely want to get my hands on that when it comes out. But this is the latest and greatest controller from SCUF. So this is the PS4 version, as I've mentioned. So let's have a look at the box. I must say the box is flippin' cool. You can see and you can feel the little indents here, which is cool. I think they've definitely upgraded the box from the previous controller. At the back it tells you exactly what you can customize and so forth with the controller. Obviously I have a SCUF lock. We've got your different color kits that you can change, some trigger extenders and so forth. I will take you guys through my SCUF, which I have customized for this unboxing. So let's not waste any time and get opening. So as soon as you've got the sleeve open, you've got your wonderful SCUF Gaming logo over there. As you open it up, lo and behold, you do not get to see the controller as yet. We've got the welcome to the world of SCUF. Basically it just says welcome from the CEO. So in here we've also got the product guide, which shows you exactly how to use the actual SCUF controller. I will open it, but if I move the page any further, you guys get to see my customized SCUF controller. So let me show, actually let me just hide the SCUF controller and I will show you what other accessories are in the box. So let's have a look at the other accessories as I hide my SCUF for the big reveal. So this is the SCUF key. Basically you can just unlock and remove your analogs. I'll show you how that works, and I'm sure you guys have seen it in many other videos. So inside we've got these trigger fangs or trigger extenders. So these will extend your trigger buttons, and then we've got the SCUF key. This will allow you to adjust your trigger stops, which I'll show you guys. And then also inside we've got the EMR magnet. This will allow me to reprogram my paddles to any of the other buttons on the controller. So the moment we've all been waiting for, the reveal of my customized SCUF controller for the PS4. Let's open it up and boom! So this is my customized SCUF controller. As you guys can see, I've got a wolf gray color. We've got the ruby red for the analogs, as well as the options and share buttons, as well as the other buttons on this side. I've also kept the analogs pretty standard, as I like to use control freaks. I've got the red rings over here, and on top we've got our triggers. We've got red, and then we've also got the black. So basically the keys literally over here, you would pop it on, turn it, and then you would release it, and therefore you can remove this analog and then replace it with another analog if you would like to. I'm not too worried about the actual size or height of this, so therefore I stick to the basic analog of the PS4 controller. It's obviously got a 3.5 jack, and then over here we've got the upgraded charging port, which I think is absolutely amazing. On the back, as you guys can see, the SCUF IMPACT has 4 paddles and they all click and work. And then we've got the fantastic SCUF grip, and then we've also got our trigger stops, which allows us to shoot and so forth, get that awesome reaction time. So basically if you guys want to adjust the trigger stops, you'd literally take your key, you'd pop it in the hole over there, and then you would turn it and so forth. As you guys can see, it's adjusted, and if I want to use the trigger stops now, as you guys can see, it is stopping and working. So as I mentioned earlier, this SCUF is programmable, so this will allow me to program my triggers for the buttons on the front side of the controller. So in order to use it, you would just take your magnet, you'd place your magnet here, you'll hold the paddle, and then you would obviously press the button in order for it to program. So it's pretty simple to use, it's pretty awesome, and I really dig these SCUF gaming controllers. Well, that's it guys, hope you enjoyed this video of me unboxing the SCUF IMPACT gaming controller. If you did enjoy this video, don't forget to smash that thumbs up button, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome videos. But from me, Slingshot, and my SCUF IMPACT, we are out of here. Peace.